Today's video, I want to show you guys how I caught the 124R on Gbpusd, right? So London session. So let's get to what we have, right? So on Gbpusd H1, we were on a downtrend generally, right? But we've been pulling back. If you mark your recent swing high and swing low, we're pulling back into what? Into the premium, right? To get ready to sell off. So I marked out this structural liquidity here and was expecting price to take out that high, right? So before that, I looked at price action. Right. What is the order flow? The order flow here is bullish because price took out this low. Right. Price first took out this low, broke structure, right? Gave us a QM. They actually come back into the QM. Because probably if price goes to the premium and moves from there, it's going to use everything as liquidity. So price broke structure, right? Gave us this low right here. Then took it out as liquidity. Right? So this low became protected right here. So if this man is protected, that means this other man over here is the target, right? So we broke this guy now. Now, since we've taken these two guys right here, what is the price action that took out the high? Now, the price action that took out the high is what? Is this point, right? So from here to here is a swing structure, right? All these pullbacks here, this is the substructure, this is the minor structure, right? So the reason I'm marking from here to here is because this is the first low that caused the whole move. Even though this low here happened, even though this guy happened, but this guy did not go below this guy. So this guy is still the main man, right? So that guy being the main man, I took a look and wondered, okay, if this main man has already been mitigated, because check what price did not break structure before coming down, right? It did what? It just went up, pulled back, and went up again. So if this main guy has been mitigated, what is left? What is left for me is this guy right here, this other block right here, and the flip zone. So I went down to the lower time frame to look for that flip zone in order to use it to run my stuff. So where is the flip zone? Right here. The flip zone isn't actually visible, but if you go to the 5 minutes, you would see the flip zone visibly. Now, okay, we have the flip zone. This guy is pulling back into this flip zone. Okay, what are the valid stuff I want to see on that flip zone? Did it take out liquidity? Yes, it took out previous candlestick liquidity right here. This candlestick went below this previous candlestick, so it took liquidity. Did it create imbalance? Yes. Did it break structure? Yes. Okay, this is my valid flip zone, right? Now, this flip zone, some people can say this other block is a violation of that block because it's the other block that broke the structure, that violated the structure, right? But me, I prefer to call it my flip zone. So this flip zone, I had to mark it out, and then if I mark the other block out, what am I seeing here? This is actually my pattern that I want to see. A, B, C. Price comes out, take the B leg and continues, right? So I marked my liquidity right here because it hasn't mitigated that other block. So let's play price. Mind you, my target is this structural liquidity. My target is this structural liquidity. My first target is this high actually. And the overall target is this structural liquidity because sales could come in from there. But generally, we're looking for buys into that area to play, right? So let's play price. Uh, and see what it has in store for us. So now price took the structural liquidity right here. Price took this structural liquidity right here. Now I took my first buy. I took my buy here, not actually the first buy, but the buy that I took here, right, and set my stop loss below this guy right here. So price still came back down, put me in drawdown before moving, right? I told you my first TP was here, but that was not where I closed. I closed at 1 to 4, right? So the overall TP is this guy right here. So first TP taken, right? First TP gone, and price pulled back. Price actually did a very neat price action here. Also a flip zone entry, but yeah, that is a story for another day. The one that I took is what I want to show you guys, right? So right. So overall TP taken. Actually I closed at 1 to 4 because I don't want stories that touches the heart, and today is NFP. So if you found this video valuable, if you loved the video, uh like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, right? I'll be putting out the video on QML and QMRs, right? And then how I approach these QM patterns, right? So just stay tuned, turn on the notification button, and then we'll talk about it on the next video, right? So, have a good day, guys. Right.